splitting the character and splitting him into pieces, cutting his image up, you're going to be displaying the whole thing in a different position. So what you want to call is not blit. Instead, what you want to call is called draw sprite. And draw sprite is almost like saying draw the character with the top left rectangle at the top in the specified X, specified Y, the bitmap width and the bitmap height. So what you're doing is you're stating what the source is. So the source is character. The destination is the bitmap. Just a second, I believe. Let's see what's tricky about the draw sprite function is that the parameters are switched. So the first is the destination and the second parameter is the source. And then you want to specify the X and the Y, and that is all you need for that function. So basically it's almost as if saying blit from this to that, 0, 0 clipping at that position, period. That is all that is required. And so what will happen is that you'll be able to move the entire Mario sprite around without having to worry about clipping. And there's one difference about draw sprite and blit, and I'm going to tell you what that is right now. Draw sprite and blit are also different in that they allow for mask colors. So take a look at this image here. This was drawn on a sprite editor, and you see that the corners are black. That's supposed to be transparent against any color in the background. So when you call draw sprite, it actually takes black, which is the mask color, and it snuffs it out as if it's not there. So watch now. You see now the black corners aren't there, because when you call draw sprite in 8-bit mode, the black in any sprite is skipped over. So the black is not plotted at all. All you see is what's there, which is nice because the background is not shown. But blit and the clipping functions, I believe, would be more useful for drawing backgrounds and cutting out some of the background to allow for other parts of the background to be displayed. But as far as drawing sprites, draw sprite is most definitely the function that you would most likely need. I'm sorry if I was unclear about the clipping functions in the previous video. I hope that this video cleared up any confusions. Again, if you're still confused, shoot me an email, comment, you know, just kind of, if you have any questions with your code, you can email that to me too. I can try to help you the best way I can. Until next time, this is Fantasia. See ya.